Are you tired of making PNG file for your project? Well, today I will show how to create unlimited PNG file using the power of AI. However, this is Saurabh. Welcome to my new video. At first, open your browser and search here PNG Maker. You can see the PNG Maker AI website here. Just click on this website. Then you can see the actual interface here. Make a PNG from text in seconds. For example, I just make a PNG from a cat. So I just input the text here, C-A-T cat, and then just click on generate. It takes some few seconds, so we must wait here. And then number of images, 1 or 2. So I just click on 1 and then click on generate. And you can see the waiting to start because it takes some seconds to generate the image here. You can see the generating process here, 4, 5, 7%. So just wait a few seconds because it takes some time. If you click the preview button here, you can see the actual PNG file here. So this is really very smooth. And if you wanna download here, just click on this icon, download button. Just one click here and downloading, and it's download successful. Have the image here. If you want more PNG here, for example, I just write here dog and number of images 2, then generate. Again, you just wait a few seconds here. And here the result. You can also see the preview here, one by one, and it's totally PNG file. And once again, you can download here very easily, just one click. So if you find this video is helpful for you, please like, comment, subscribe my channel. And if you need any type of tutorial video, just comment below. I will try to help you. Thank you so much.